How to fix something went wrong on Twitter. So, hello friends, once again welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So friends, before we get started, I would like to request you all to please do subscribe this YouTube channel and please hit the bell icon to receive latest videos notification from Android Tips. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix something went wrong problem on Twitter. So you just need to watch this video till the end. So friends, let's get started. So why we face this problem? Something went wrong problem. It usually because of network issue. It usually we face usually because of network issue. So the first thing, you have to check whether your internet connection is stable or not. And the second thing, go to Play Store, and then search for Twitter application, and then check whether your Twitter application is asking for update or not. If it is asking for update, please update the Twitter application. So after updating the Twitter application, the problem might be fixed. So friends, even after updating, you're still facing the same problem. You just need to uninstall the Twitter application. You just need to uninstall the Twitter application. You just uninstall the Twitter application and then reinstall from the Google Play Store, and then re-login in with your Twitter account, and your problem will be fixed. So friends, that's it. That's it. That is how we fix this problem. So friends, thanks for watching this video.